Hey guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. I will be showing you in today's video how I did this eyeshadow look, and I take you step by step so you can be really confident in rocking red eyeshadow on your eyes. I think it's really wearable. The palette that I used for this is this Colourpop and Kathleen Lights collaboration. It's the Dream St palette. This did come out a little while ago, but I actually just got this from a friend. Thank you, Sarah. I really like it. These are the colors inside. You can create a lot of different looks with it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like how it turned out, if you like makeup tutorials. Also make sure that you subscribe, and whenever you hit the subscribe button that you hit the bell notifications so that you'll be notified when I post. I post every Monday, Friday. I post beauty videos. So if you want to see how I did today's look, make sure you keep on watching. So I do already have my eyes primed. Once again, I'm using this Smashbox 24-hour shadow primer, and I'm a little sad because looks like I'm gonna be running out soon. So I'm gonna have to repurchase that. I'm going to be using this palette today, as I mentioned in the intro. I really like this palette. It's a collaboration with Colourpop and Kathleen Lights. So I'm going to use this Luxie brush first, and I'm going to take this almost like orangey brown shade right here as my transition shade. If you hear that, that's my dog over there. I'm aware that you're there, Milo. I know. Also, I failed to mention earlier, I already have my base on, so my foundation and that kind of thing, and I already have my brows done as well. I just got my eyebrows waxed, so we are good to go there. They were really bothering me. Below that, I'm gonna be using this Sigma E56 brush, and I'm gonna be using this reddish orange shade. It looks like it could be a little intimidating, but I think you can make it really wearable, especially if you blend it out. So just pack it on this brush and tap off. It does look like this is gonna have fallout. I kind of meant to do my eyeshadow look first and then do my base, but here we are, so it's okay. This is a very pigmented shade for sure. So Milo found a toy to play with. Hope you enjoy listening to that. Yep, it's raining. Okay. So this is a little bit more than I meant to put on, but I'll just blend the colors together and it will all work out. But it is a really pretty, I think, wearable shade. It can be. So just do the other eye. Also, it is raining now, so yay, Florida. It'll probably stop in like 5 minutes. As I've mentioned before, I really like this brush because you can get a really precise line. Also, it's good for applying lip products. I've done that in a video as well. I cannot recommend this brush enough. I will definitely leave it linked below in the description box if you want to get it. Also, Sigma is really good about doing different sales and deals. Sometimes you'll get free shipping, or sometimes specific brushes will be on sale, so definitely check back on the website if you don't want to pay full price in shipping, because I hate paying shipping as well. So I'm going to blend that a little bit. This is going to be a pretty simple look. Below that, I can't remember if I want to set it with setting spray or not, so we are going to be using, so there's a lot of really similar colors, like this one, and then this one all look very similar, but this is actually a lot more copper toned, and then this is kind of more rose gold. This is the shade that we're going to be using on the lid, and I'm just going to apply that. I'm going to be using the Sigma E60 brush. Yeah, I don't need to wet this. Like, do you see how pretty and pigmented that is? So I'm gonna use the E40 brush and kind of blend those colors together. And then that is still very reddish, so I'm actually going to take a little bit of the brown of the darker brown shade and apply some of that. You could leave it like this. This is still wearable, but I kind of want like a deeper outer corner. I'm going to use, this is actually a blending brush, but you can use it to apply eyeshadow as well. This is the E45. I should have these names memorized by now, but anyway, the E45, and I'm going to take this really deep brown right here and just apply that on the very outer corner. And since this is a blending brush, it'll apply it very lightly, which is what I wanted. And then I'm going to use the 45, is this the 45? I'm gonna use the 40 and kind of blend all that together. Yeah, the matte shades are definitely powdery, but I don't see any, maybe a little bit of fallout, just kidding. There's not too much fallout, so, but it probably wouldn't hurt to do your eye makeup first with this palette. I just, out of habit, I do my face makeup first. Okay. And then take the E40 and blend that together. Since you blended it out, it's not so intense and red, and I think that it's very wearable. You could leave it like that for the eyeshadows, but I'm actually curious. I'm gonna take this medium brown shade right here and put that on the lower lash line. And I'm just gonna take this e.l.f., I'm pretty sure this brush is only like $1 to apply it with. So that's it with the eyeshadows. I'm going to now do the rest of my face makeup. For bronzer, once again, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Once again, with this Sigma F23 contour brush. Also, if my face seems to be like kind of glowing a little bit, yeah, that's just sweat because, you know, it's probably about 90 degrees outside and I'm wearing a cardigan. Yeah, it's not gonna be fall here anytime soon. I blend that a little bit with this buffing brush. For blush, once again, I'm going to be using this Tarte shade in Insightful. It was limited edition, but I do recommend the Tarte Amazonian Clay blushes. They do last a long time. And then for a highlight, I am going to try using this shade right here from the palette with this fan brush. Just kind of be gentle because right next to it is that teal and that just would not be a good highlight shade, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm proud of myself because I finally did my makeup in the order that I usually do whenever I'm not filming. So now I'm gonna set my face with this all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. And next I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna wear the Lancome, I'm gonna wear the Lancome Monster Big Mascara again. So I'm gonna curl them first. Once again, I got this in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty because I'm aware that this mascara is $25, but I got it for $12.50. And I do really like it, but I think I just don't know if I like this better than my It Cosmetics Superhero mascara. And then since the eyes are a little bit more of a statement today, I'm just gonna keep the lips simple. And actually this is a really affordable lip color as well. It's the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. And I'm not gonna line my lips, but you could if you wanted to. Usually I do, but just not today. Just keeping it really easy. This is it's kind of like a pinky nude. And I like this formula a lot because in the name it's soft matte lip cream, and I would say that that's very representative of what it is. It's very comfortable wearing and it's super easy, especially this shade. It's easy to just throw on and very wearable, I think. So that completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.